I will show you how to do lamination step by step using the top one, Thuya lamination system. First, I clean eyebrows of dirt, makeup, and grease. I don't recommend using brow scrubs/peelers before brow lamination as it might cause injury, slight irritation, and sensitivity. I remove the foam with a dry cotton pad and lightly brush the eyebrow hairs so that the hairs are completely dry before applying the first step. Step 1 is a permanent gel, which includes ammonium thioglycolate and actively breaks the disulfide bonds and makes the hair manipulable and flexible. I apply this gel with a soft brush, making sure every hair is properly covered. And then cover the brows with a film to speed up the processing time. After waiting for about 2 to 3 minutes, I brush the brows to check their flexibility. It's crucial to keep an eye on how the hairs are responding. I do a quick readiness check with tweezers, bending an eyebrow hair to see its shape. If it bends like a V, the hair is ready. If it's more like a U, it needs more time. When the eyebrow hairs are ready, I remove the film and then the gel with a dry cotton pad. Step 2 is the Neutralizer cream. This step is vital as it helps reshape the hair, restore bonds, and neutralize the pH level of the skin and hair. I apply it immediately after the gel and remove it with a wet cotton pad when the time is up. With the lamination complete, I can proceed to hair removal and tinting. It doesn't matter which one you prefer first. I prefer plucking with tweezers to avoid redness, rash, and irritation, especially since the skin can be more sensitive after lamination. For tinting, I use Bronsun's new formula. I apply the tint using a scattering technique that starts lighter at the beginning of the brow and gets gradually darker. This creates a beautifully natural look. I apply the tint in layers and allow it to dry completely for the best pigmentation on the skin. Finally, it's time for some nourishment. Regenerating cream with argan oil. The cream is thick, so I warm it in my hands first to make it easier to apply. I apply it with a microbrush following the 90-45-0 rule to ensure each hair is nicely covered, separated, and looks natural. And there you have it! beautifully laminated brows that look natural and perfectly shaped. The before and after pictures speak for themselves. The transformation is just stunning. The chosen tint matches the model's hair color perfectly, enhancing her natural beauty. If you want to up your brow game and boost your business, my courses can help take you to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you achieve gorgeous brows.